Miller Big Blue 700X Duo Pro, which is dual operator. It has a Deutsch engine. Machine will be serviced and cleaned and parts changed where required. I don't believe the battery is actually charged on it, but we'll give it a try just in case. No. Auxiliary is 110 and 220, and it's a multi-process, so you can use the wire feed unit for MIG, TIG, normally just on the MIG side with a Miller or Lincoln wire feed unit. The Duo, if you notice, there's the switch there, which is an option, so you can go to 700 amps for gouging. Thank you for looking.